What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you on how to dissolve an LLC in the US. Dissolving a limited liability company in the United States involves a series of legal and administrative steps to properly wind down the business. From voting to dissolve the LLC to distributing remaining assets, there are several key actions required to formally terminate the company's existence. Understanding the dissolution process is crucial for LLC owners looking to close their business in compliance with the state and federal regulations. Let's dive into the detailed steps to dissolve an LLC in the US. Vote to dissolve the LLC. The members of the LLC must hold a meeting and vote to dissolve the company following the procedures outlined in the LLC's operating agreement. This typically requires a majority or unanimous vote of the members. Notify creditors and settle debts. After the decision to dissolve, the LLC must notify all creditors, including suppliers, lenders, and tax authorities, of the intent to dissolve. The LLC must then pay off or make arrangements to pay any outstanding debts and liabilities. File final tax returns and pay taxes. The LLC must file final tax returns with the IRS and state or local tax authorities and pay any remaining taxes owed. This may include sales tax, employment taxes, and income tax. File articles of dissolution. The LLC must file articles of dissolution with the state where it was formed. This formally notifies the state that the LLC is dissolving and terminating its legal existence. Wind-up affairs. The LLC must complete any remaining business activities such as canceling licenses and permits, terminating contracts, and distributing any remaining assets to the members. Distribute remaining assets. After paying off debts, the LLC must distribute any remaining assets to the members according to their ownership interests as outlined in the operating agreement. Withdraw from other states. If the LLC was registered to do business in other states, it must also file dissolution paperwork in those states. The dissolution process can take several months to complete and involves careful documentation, notification of stakeholders, and compliance with state-specific requirements. Seeking the guidance of a legal or accounting professional is advisable to ensure the LLC is dissolved properly. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.